At the time of Imam Sadiq alayhi salam, many revolutions were led by the Shia, including the one led by Muhammad al-Nafs al-Zakiyya and so on. But Imam Sadiq alayhi salam rejected them all, because the intention of all of them was to gain power. Every banner is null until Imam Mahdi alayhi salam comes. But he confirmed only one of those revolutions, the one led by Zaid ibn Ali. While Zaid never announced for whom he led the revolution, Imam Sadiq alayhi salam was crying with tears streaming down his face and saying, Allah knows that our uncle Zaid wanted the rule for us. So we can make this conclusion that if Shia make a government with the intention of giving it to Imam, not only it's not bad, but also hastens the reappearance of Imam Mahdi alayhi salam. Some people have only read one hadith but didn't understand it and encountered a problem. They should see the other ones too. They cut Zaid's body in two, and each half was hanging from a side of the governor's palace. But the body never turned fetid. They found their reputation in danger, so they ordered to bury him. Zaid had so many virtues. Some sects believed that the next Imam after Imam Sajjad alayhi salam was him. The sect of Zaydism, believing in 14 Imams, who are now the Houthis of Yemen. This is very important. Pay attention. Therefore, if in our revolution we chanted, "Oh God, protect the revolution of Khomeini until the revolution of Mahdi," and have it in action as well, including in our fights, our goals, and also the people, in their elections, going forward and coming backwards, and everything else. If all of them are in line with the reappearance, then it is approved by Imam Mahdi alayhi salam, and Imam himself will keep it safe with his power. But as soon as it deflects and seeks power for itself, the al-Bayt will wrap it up